Hell motherfucking yeah. This one goes out to my nigga Mike Cooley. Hell yeah. Thuggin', heartless and mean, muggin' at 16 on the scene, watching fiends buggin', kicking up dust with the older G's, soaking up the game that was told to me. I ain't never touched a gap that I couldn't shoot. I learned not to trust a bitch from the prostitutes. Taught lessons, a young nigga asking questions while other suckers was guessing I was gangster sexy. Elementary wasn't meant for me, cake for credit. I'm headed for the penitentiary and cut the class in the fucking blasting. Straight magic, driving through the overpass laughing. While these other motherfuckers try to figure out. No doubt, they jealous other niggas clown. Tell me, Lord, can you feel me? I keep my finger on the trigger cause some niggas trying to kill me. And mama raised the hellraiser. Every day getting paid police, I'm a pager. Straight stressing, a fugitive, my occupation is under question. Wanted for investigation. And even though I'm off for death, I'ma smoke till I lose my breath. Motherfuckers, every time I see the paper, I see my picture. When the niggas getting richer, they come to get you. It's like a mother.
হঠাৎ দাম বেড়ে গেলে গিয়েছিল ও পেঁয়াজ কিংবা মানুষ পৌঁছে গেলে আগের জায়গায় ফিরে আসবো। ধন্যবাদ।